How to log into your Goldman Sachs account online. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply install this particular application, Marcus by Goldman Sachs from your Play Store or App Store on your phone. Then you can simply open the application. So after doing that here, simply select which country you are from. Let's just select our country, then tap on confirm. After doing that, now what we're going to do is simply tap on login right here. And all you need to do is add in your email ID and your password right here. So after writing down your email address and password, all you need to do is tap on login. And then from there, you can successfully log into your account, right? So in here, let's just say somehow you have forgotten your password or your email ID, then what you can actually do is simply tap on the option create or reset password right here. Then you can go along with the process of how you will be able to, simply like reset your password. So all you need to do is add in your necessary credentials in there that you'll be required, and it might also be your social security number and your date of birth in order to verify your account or find your account. Then you can go along with the process of how you'll be able to reset your password, and just like that, you'll be able to log into your Goldman Sachs account online. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.